If you have trouble threading a needle, especially the one with the small eye, I can usually thread a needle pretty quick. I've been doing this for 40 plus years, but this lighting in here is terrible. Sometimes you can do like this. Sometimes you can cut the thread. You have to cut the thread to make a sharp point. And there we go. So I threaded the smallest needle. If you can't do it, you can use a helper. The threader. Needle threader helper. This is the old-fashioned kind. I see an updated kind is on Amazon for sale, but it's not as effective as this because this gets into the smallest eyes. Let me show you how. Take this part and put it through the eye of the needle. Again, this lighting is terrible. Okay. Maybe I need my glasses. Okay, nope. This is taking longer than threading it with just my hand. Okay, it's in there. It's in there. Take the thread, put it through the opening, grab the thread, and pull the threader out. And voila, you have just threaded your needle with some help. Now we're going to do the big eye. Now this is going to be a breeze. Do it. It's in there. Put the thread through the opening. And pull the threader out.